Hi guys, I am Manat Gill from Lashes to Heels. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And today I'm going to show you two eyeshadow looks using Nykaa Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. I will be using Nykaa Smokin Hot palette, and another palette I will be using is Crazy in Love eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I created these eyeshadow looks, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over my lid. I like to go 2-3 shades lighter. The lighter concealer you apply, the more your eyeshadow look will pop out. After applying the concealer, I'm going to set it using translucent powder. First look I will be doing is using this Smokin Hot eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and start blending it on my crease. I like to apply 2-3 layers of eyeshadow first. After blending brown eyeshadow on my crease, I'm going to take this dark grey eyeshadow and pack it on my outer V and then blend it using larger blending brush. I'm also going to fade out eyeshadows on the outer V to have that smoky eye effect. After that, I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow and I'm using the brush that comes in the palette and pack it on my lid. I'm going to pack the color dry. And then I'm going to use another brush and wet it with my Fix Plus and apply it all over my lid. I highly recommend wetting your brush if you want to intensify your eye look. After applying blue eyeshadow, I'm going to blend it in my outer V. I'm going to take smaller blending brush and taking this black eyeshadow, I'm going to slowly pack it on my outer V. I'm using very light hand to pack the black eyeshadow because I don't want to look like boom black. And then I'm going back with my blue eyeshadow and blend it on my outer V. And then again taking the black eyeshadow, I'm going to blend it. I like to go back and forth with these colors so that I can blend it time and again and have that perfect blended eye look. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow and blend it near my lash line. And then taking this black eyeshadow, I'm going to blend it on my outer V. For my inner corners and brow bone, I'm going to apply this white eyeshadow from the same palette. For my eyeliner, I'm using Nykaa Get Inked Eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm using NYX Double XL Mascara. After applying my lashes, this is the final look that I've created. I like how this palette has brown eyeshadow for your crease, it has black eyeshadow, it has white eyeshadow which can be used on your inner corners and brow bone. For my second eye look, I'm going to use Crazy in Love eyeshadow palette. First of all, I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and start blending it on my crease. Let me tell you guys that this eyeshadow has grey undertone in it. Now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HG on very thin brush. I'm slowly cutting out my crease and slowly building the shape that I want. Now I'm going to apply this rose gold eyeshadow all over my lid. And then taking this purple eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it on my outer V. And taking this eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it in middle with my finger. I'm going to take the same purple eyeshadow and apply it on my lower lash line and blend it on my outer V as well. Now I usually don't have fallout while creating looks with these palettes, but it's the brush that I'm using which makes me fall out every time I use it, no matter what palette I'm using. For my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to apply the lightest eyeshadow from the palette. Time to draw my wing. I'm going to use this NYX Gel Liner. This is my favorite gel eyeliner because it is so soft and creamy to use. You can easily work with it, and I'm using this thin brush to draw my wing. I like to work slowly and see the shape I want. I'm also going to apply kajal with it. And this is the final look that I've created. I have done everyday eye look using Nykaa Dare to Bear eyeshadow palette. If you want to see it, I will put the link in my description box. I hope you guys like the looks I've created. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Until next time, bye. Love you all.